What level of proficiency is required to achieve a 6.5 on the IELTS exam for studying in the UK?
Welcome to this video where we aim to break down the proficiency level needed to achieve a 6.5 on the International English Language Testing System, or IELTS, exam. This is a common requirement for international students who wish to study in the United Kingdom. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of what language skills are required to reach this level. The emphasis here is not just on the score but on the underlying language skills that are needed to achieve it.
What is IELTS 6.5?
First, it's essential to understand what a score of 6.5 in the IELTS exam signifies. IELTS is scored on a band system from 1 to 9, with 9 being a native speaker proficiency. A score of 6.5 indicates a strong, competent user of English. At this level, you're expected to have effective command of the language despite some inaccuracies, inappropriate usage, and misunderstandings. You can use and understand fairly complex language, particularly in familiar situations.
How to understand the requirements?
IELTS tests 4 language skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each skill has different requirements for a 6.5 score. Listening. You should be able to follow the main points of extended discussions and understand specific factual information. Reading. You should be able to read and understand articles, reports, and texts on a range of topics, and you should be able to identify the writer's opinion or point of view. Writing. You must be able to write texts, such as essays, reports, or reviews, that are clear and well-structured. You should be able to present and justify an argument, give your opinion, and use a range of grammatical structures and vocabulary. Speaking. You need to be able to communicate effectively in a range of contexts, explain and discuss issues, and use a range of language, tenses, and structures.
How to prepare for IELTS 6.5?
Preparation for this proficiency level involves focused study and practice. You need to be comfortable with a range of vocabulary and grammar structures. Practice tests are an invaluable resource as they allow you to familiarize yourself with the test format and the type of questions you will encounter. Developing your listening skills, expanding your vocabulary, improving your grammar, and practicing your speaking and writing are all integral to achieving this score. Achieving an IELTS score of 6.5 for studying in the UK requires a proficient command of English. The journey to this score involves understanding the requirements, practicing all the skills, and developing a good understanding of the language. We hope this video has provided you with a clear roadmap to attaining a score of 6.5 on the IELTS exam. Best of luck with your preparations, and we're rooting for your success.